Welcome to Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to show you a recipe that is a vegan recipe. This is the first time ever in Madhurima's Kitchen I am preparing a veg, not only veg, it's a vegan. The name of the recipe is vegan fish fry or the fried green banana. So the recipe I got it from a very famous Hebbar's kitchen. So whenever I am going to try the recipe, I tried the recipe. I had no idea how it will be, but definitely it was good. It is not like fish fry, definitely it's not like a fish fry, but you can have, because green banana does not have any kind of taste, own taste. So whenever I am frying this, and it's a very nice recipe, and the recipe you will find in the description box. I will show you the recipe link of Hebbar's kitchen. So you can go through the cooking process as well. You can compare to that, and you can definitely try it. So this is it from Madhurima's kitchen today. Subscribe my channel Madhurima's kitchen and Madhurima Basu in YouTube and Instagram, and you can find Madhurima's kitchen in Zomato for order any kind of food. So that's it.